got a lot to endure. There ain't no stopping the storm, homie, the top is it warm, so chill. I think I need my light bulb fixed. That's what lately I ain't been getting hyped on shit. Life's a journey, you gotta find your niche. I'm leaving this tight space because I don't fit, and I'm moving away. My whole life I'ma start from scratch as an artist in trap.
What's going on, everybody? It's TMB23 here with another video, another iteration. So in today's video we're going to be talking about the edge and the exhaust system on it. We're going to be taking care of this. Want to see how it sounds when we install some Flowmaster Super 40 series, I believe. So let's see how it sounds real quick when I remote start it. I'm not big on this, but let's see. I want to see what it sounds like when we get it taken care of. Alright, so we are on the way to Nashville. We're about 150 miles away or whatnot, so maybe 2 hours or somewhere around that time. I was gonna go locally, however, a situation happened between the guy at the muffler shop and he couldn't get me in. So this actually works out perfectly because the guy actually has a YouTube channel. His name is Exhaust Addict, and I can leave the description in the bottom. Get to his channel and whatnot, because he does a lot of quality work and everything. So I just want to share it with you guys and everything. So check back when we get to his shop. So we are back at the house and everything. I went ahead and let the car cool down a little bit, change clothes or whatnot. We installed the MAGNAFLOW MagnaPack, and we took away the resonator, and that obviously the Ford muffler. It was like a suitcase or whatnot. But we have an issue with droning now. Get a little glimpse under here. But yeah, it drones at highway frequencies, but there is a solution once the catless downpipes do arrive, whenever Zuri Fabrication finishes that. And let you guys hear how it sounds. I didn't get a clip while I was there, but I want to do a drive-by and get all kinds of exhaust clips real quick. Guys, I know you're probably wondering why the hell I have a leaf blower out here, but some of the most recent EcoBoost Fords actually sound like a leaf blower when you put an exhaust on it. So I'm gonna show you that mine actually kind of sounds like one. So I'm gonna turn it on real quick. So that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and leave a comment, guys, and thanks for watching.